Hey, I'm Polly from Capital Breakfast, and an absolute pleasure to be here today at the Inspire Awards, seeing all the young children and the teachers who are out there making a difference in our community is just very touching. Some of the stories are so inspiring, and it's nice to know that there's some good people out there who are willing to stick up for others, and that's great to see in my town. So thank you very much, and well done to all of the winners today.
I just saw a boy there just by himself really on the edge of the table, and I was just like, you know, I'll make sure he's going to have a good time in high school, and I think he has, to be honest. And if everyone just has that sort of mentality, I think that will be a way forward.
Keep your head up, keep working, and make sure you speak to a teacher or someone you trust, because no matter what you're going through, there are people there that will support you, and there are people there that are going to help you through hard times.
It's absolutely brilliant to be recognised for doing work for the young people. I do it wherever it happens anyhow, but it's for the young people. I will be showing the young people on Saturday that it's their award, not mine. It's because of them as well. So that's it really.
It means everything to us. We work to create a culture of kindness within the school. We don't get everything right, but we do try to learn from what we're doing, and I think the award actually gives some credence towards the hard work of our staff and also the pupils themselves.
We're delighted to have won the Inspire Award in the secondary sector in recognition of our work for tackling hate and discrimination. Our pupils are very keen to tackle some of the difficulties that society faces, and it's really great for us that our work, although we're very much on a journey, has been recognised here today.